wolves, we refer to grey wolves, which are large dog-like animals. But in North America, however, there is still a type of wolf that has evolved more successfully than the grey wolf in terms of distribution and survival, as their habitat has not been reduced in the past century, but on the contrary, it has expanded by 40%, and that is the coyote species. So how can they do this? Let us find out together right now. Let's learn about the coyotes. The coyotes are an animal that usually lives in groups, but because they have more mixed food habit and rarely hunt larger ungulates, their pack size is much smaller than other groups of wolves, as most coyote groups are small family groups or just a pair of male and female wolves, whereas coyotes living in cities or suburbs are often solitary. In appearance, the coyotes are very similar to the grey wolves, but the coyote's snout is more pointed and has a more cunning appearance that resembles a fox. And because of their wide distribution, coyotes' coat color is often greatly influenced by the environment. The frequent prey of coyotes are rodents such as rabbits, hamsters, squirrels, and a species such as chickens, birds, and sometimes roe or deer, and foxes, as their favorite food are sheep and rabbits. Coyotes are opportunistic predators, as they often have patient stalking steps when approaching their prey, as these coyotes found a group of fat, healthy birds that looked extremely appetizing swimming in a lake, as it looked longingly at the birds and then stepped carefully and gently into the lake. And noticing something unusual, immediately the underwater birds fled, causing the coyotes to go right ashore in defeat. And thinking it was going to fail, but the coyote saw a flock of birds on the shore, and this time he succeeded in catching one of them, so the hunt turned out to be an unexpected success. As it is known that coyotes have strong biting power and a long and sharp teeth, they have the power to grab their prey and tearing them apart, as these animals use their speed to attack, and they like to stalk their prey and use their stamina to take it down, even the larger animals. And as for the smaller prey, they will kill them with a stronger bite. They are also very persistent predators when hunting in packs, as they are most successful when hunting smaller prey, like these two coyotes chasing a poor deer to the lagoon. After a while of struggling and joking to make the deer tired, they use their unique move to use their razor-sharp teeth to bite the deer's body, as they grab their prey and try to drag it to the ground. And after a fierce battle, the deer had completely collapsed, so the two coyotes had a delicious meal. In addition to showing intelligence when hunting, coyotes also show us wisdom by adapting well to changes in their environment, as this species used to live mainly on green grasslands and deserts, but right now it roams both in the forest and in the mountain areas, as they also live in cities like Los Angeles and are found in most locations in North America, as these animals have crept into every corner, even into the busy downtown area, as they are not afraid of humans and pick up leftovers just like wild dogs and treat the city environment as their own home. And over time, they have also learned the rules of living in the city and knowing how to avoid traffic when crossing the streets, nesting in darker corners of parking lots, and even jumping on rooftops for easy viewing. Usually coyotes are very afraid of people, and they rarely appear and attack humans, as coyotes also cause very little trouble to humans. However, it is not without cases of coyotes attacking people, but this animal has been recorded to have caused a number of attacks on humans, which is believed to be caused by some of the animals getting lost and causing trouble with humans. Although there are very few incidents of harm to humans, many believe that they pose a threat to children and pets, and therefore, in many places, they have been hunted to eliminate a potential danger. As most of all, when coyotes clash with domestic dogs, the coyotes are not sure who to win, as many coyotes are scared away by domestic dogs, as some are old, sick, and wolves are also attacking human herds. As that is why many people have specifically trained their pet dogs to deal with the coyotes. As this man is training his 2 dogs when meeting coyotes, as the coyotes this is trying to lure the dogs out into the field where the children are, and the coyotes others are lying in waiting, as they are setting traps just waiting for the dogs to get trapped, as they use their growls as if to challenge the domestic dog, and he even came close to biting a bulldog. But the domestic dogs are also very intelligent and seem to be trained many times by making them more experienced when it comes to the coyotes. As the 2 domestic dogs rushed over and wrestled with a coyote, causing it to be injured and collapsed immediately. Realizing that the plan failed, the remaining coyotes had to run away immediately. Arguably, coyotes have long been viewed by society as a dangerous nuisance or belittled in popular culture because of their appearance of their ferocious wolf breed, but their adaptability and cunning ways have kept the coyotes alive for millennia, making them one of the most elite survivors around the world. As today's video comes to an end, thank you all so much for watching all of our videos, and if you love to explore the animal world, then don't forget to press the subscribe button in the bottom right corner of the screen. Besides, please click the like and share this video with your friends and relatives. And for now, goodbye and see you